Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best in portable radios that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5. Best in portable radios. Radio is a device that people use for listening to various channels that broadcast by different radio stations in their region. Portable radio has more functions than ordinary radio since they are easy to bring along with because they are built with small size, yet allows you to listen to any channel and many more. According to the popularity of portable radios. Number 5. Crane Skywave Shortwave Weather and Airband Portable Travel Radio. If you live next to a smaller airport, you could ask a local pilot for the frequency. English is the standard language used in aviation at all worldwide. Main features: lightweight portable, lighted LCD display, 400 memory presets. Number 4. Sony ICFS10 MK2 Pocket AM/FM Radio Silver. Radio will fit easily into your shirt or jacket pocket for convenience and easy portability. The Let's choose from the wide range of radio talk shows and music programming. Main features: operates on 2 AA batteries, attached carrying strap, earphone connection. Number 3. Sony ICF38 Portable AM/FM Radio Black. Also perfect for severe weather conditions or power outages. Perfect for the garage, porch, or anywhere around the house. This handy portable radio delivers crisp sound. Main features: tone control switch, large built-in speaker, LED tuning indicator. Number 2. Sangen WR11 Wood Cabinet AM/FM Tabletop Analog Radio. Large 3 inches 7-watt speaker and only 3 rotating knobs, this sensitive and sophisticated radio. Main features: auxiliary input for audio sources, 3-inch 6.5-watt full-range speak, improved sound quality. Number 1. Songgum PRD5BK AM/FM Portable Radio with digital tuning. It has an enormous 200mm spheroid antenna providing the best AM reception ever heard. Main features: switching AC adapter 100 to 240 volts, LCD display with backlight, 200mm spheroid AM. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.